as the war progressed and new weapons were being developed, old weapons were still being used. One of the oldest weapons in use was the bayonet. This is the 1907 pattern British bayonet. It fits onto the end of the rifle and is used in close quarter combat to thrust, to slash, to block a blow from above, or you can use the butt plate of the rifle to hit. Soldiers were trained in bayonet drill during their basic training, and they continue to practice. But it's not until you have been in a fight that you develop your own way of using it. Now, some of you may have seen one of these. It's a .45 calibre Webley revolver. Officers carry them. They're straightforward to use. 6 bullets go in the chamber, you close it up, pull back the hammer, aim and fire. It's not that accurate, but good at close range. Although there have been lots of accidents when they've gone off unexpectedly. No safety catch, you see. Whew, lucky.